Hey Shirley, it's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Lawnsmith. If you type in roofing DFW, these guys show up right at the top. I'm going to show you how easy it would be to copy them and then beat them. You're probably asking why I'd even make this video for you. I just found out a little while ago there's lots of roofing contractors that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free, and most people take this information and just do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people say, Devin, I like you, I just don't have the time to do this, can you do this for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. I'm just here to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off though, fantastic job on your website. I love the color scheme. It's a large website. It's very eye-catching, nice colors, nice strong fonts. It's a beautiful looking website. Now what Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking your website is content, all this stuff that you can highlight and read. The average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content, so it's kind of where you want to start. If I paste all your words into this word counter, you can see you have quite a bit already, 2,512. So it's not really that you need to get more content, but what I would recommend doing is fitting in some keywords. Like you can see, for example, Lawnsmith has Fort Worth Roofing Company. You want to fit in keywords inside of your content. So I actually pulled up a couple for you right here. Feel free to pause this video and just put these inside. For example, inside of your content. For example, DFW Roofing, 250 people search that every month. Roofing DFW, 200 people search that every month. DFW Roofing Pro, 150 people search that every month. So if you're number one for just those 3 keywords, you'd be number one in front of 600 people in DFW who are searching for roofing. It completely change your business, right? So make sure you put your keywords like this inside of your content. If I search your page, you can see that you don't have these keywords inside of that content. So just make sure that this is what your competitors or what your customers are searching. One more thing too is you can save your images as keywords too. So like instead of Blue Nail Main Construction PNG, you can save this as like DFW Roofing Pro, and that'll help you rank for that keyword. All right, so that's my first tip regarding content. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Like I said though, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. You're going to get a lot more power with other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. The tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't need to pay for this. Google Backlink Checker, you can see this stuff for free. It says you have 190 websites linking to you, so great job. People are obviously working on your website already. Lawnsmith has 333 websites linking to them. If these 333 websites are good enough to rank them, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So if I were in your shoes, I'd just copy them. I'd go one by one to each of these websites the same way they did and put a link on each website back to my homepage. And a lot of times it's really simple. Like Angie, you hit join a pro network. Yellow Pages, you hit sign up. Super Pages, you hit join. Create a free profile, put a link in your profile back to your website, and that's simple. You've got a backlink from these large websites. So it's easy to do, it just takes some time, but if you copy their backlinks and you beat their content, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically. My last tip is how to show up in the map section. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Angie, Yelp, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. So I'd figure out what directories New View Roofing was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and add a bunch on top. If New View Roofing was in 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. But that's all I've got for you, Shirley. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want 1,500 words of content on your homepage with keywords inside of your content like DFW Roofing, Roofing DFW, etc., etc. Then you want to take the websites linking to Lawnsmith and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than New View Roofing. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. Now you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do this yourself. This is a great route to go. The sooner you get started, the less catching up you're going to have to do. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done, give me a call at 972-736-8808. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. It was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Shirley. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you guys have an awesome week. I'll see you later.